W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to learn how to draw a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. Did you know to make this turkey, we need 5 basic lines and shapes? We'll use a triangle, an arc, a U, a circle, and a line. 5 basic lines and shapes to create this turkey? Well, that's gobblerific. Let's see how it all fits together. First, let's create an arc right about here on the paper in the center. Just like that. Okay, next we'll build another arc on this side. Like that, and then another arc on this side. And it looks like we're making a circle, but we're not joining it here. You can go over your lines if you want to fix them. I need to fix mine. Okay, so next we'll do another arc on this side, and this one's going to point outward like this. You can start making the turkey's neck. This will go on the opposite side, like that. And now we're going to make the turkey's body. So we'll take another arc starting here, and it's going to come around this way, and then on this side we'll do the opposite way, just like that. Next we're going to make a big arc for the belly, and that will start here and go all the way around and connect right there. So now we have the turkey head, the neck, and the body. Okay, next let's make the eyes. So we'll make a circle here, and a circle here, and let's fill that in, just like that. Now we're going to make a triangle. So let's start, to make our triangle, we're just going to make a line here, and then come down to a point, just like that, and that'll be the turkey's beak. Next, we're going to do 2 arcs for that little piece of skin that comes down off of the beak, and that is called the wattle. Right there, 2 arcs, and that comes down below the beak. Next, we're going to create legs. So we're going to use 4 lines to start. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have the legs, and now we'll do the feet. We'll do 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines. Just like that. And you can pause this video if you need to catch up. I'm going to keep going. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We'll do 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines. Just like that. And now we're going to take small arcs and then close these lines to finish the feet. So, small arc here, small arc here, small arc here. And now we'll do the other foot. Small arc here, small arc here, and a small arc here. All right, very good everyone. Next, we're going to use the U shape, and the U shape will be for the tail feathers. So we're going to start, let's start here, and we're going to work our way all the way around the body. So we'll start here and we'll make a U. And then we'll make another U. And we're always having it point toward the center of the body. So you'll notice the U is going to wind up going upside down as we go around. Just like that. And then another U here. Now we're not going to draw a U here. We're going to skip over to here and we'll draw another U. And don't worry, we'll fill in this space, but we're going to use something different. And then we continue with another U, and then another U, and then one more U. There we go. Next, we're going to fill in the space. We're going to use arcs to make it look as if this feather is behind the turkey's head. So we'll use an arc that goes up and then an arc that comes down, just like that. Okay, next, we're going to use arcs again. And we're going to make it look as though there are arcs here with feathers behind these feathers. So it would just, if we do this, and then another arc, it makes it look like there's a whole nother row of feathers behind these feathers. Just like that. I'm going to do one more set, small arcs, like this. All the way around. And you can pause this video at any time if you need to catch up. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video and catch up. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to add a thick black outline around my turkey. You don't have to do that, but if you'd like, you can follow along. All I'm going to do is push a little harder on the marker, and it's going to make the line thicker, and I'm just going to trace the outline all the way around. And you can do this with any of your drawings. Sometimes I do it, and sometimes I don't. But for this drawing, I think you would make it have a nice look and finish the whole drawing with this thick black outline. And then, if you like, you can use this turkey as a decoration for Thanksgiving, and you can color it in. What color do you want to color your turkey? You could make it any color you want. We're not going to color these turkeys together, but you can certainly color your turkey on your own. Almost done with my thick black outline. Get that part right there. And then the last foot. And finished! Look at our gobblerific turkey! Great job, everybody! I'm so proud of you for following along. Now, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun just like this. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.